Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image in a shape in Canva. So let's get started. First, open Canva. You can go to the Canva website or app. Select Create a new design and open a new project. On the left-hand side, click on the Elements tab and scroll down to find the Frames section. Click on See All if needed to view all the available frames. Choose the frame you want, such as a circle, heart, or diamond, and click on it to add it to your canvas. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left. Click Upload Files to upload an image from your device, or drag and drop the image from your computer. Drag the uploaded image and drop it onto the frame on your canvas, where it will automatically fit into the shape. You can double-click the image to adjust its positioning and size within the frame until you're happy with the result. If you want to use other shapes, repeat the process by adding different frames and dragging new images into them. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can save it to your device, share it directly from Canva, or download it in various formats. And here is the final result. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.